Low-calorie food, healthy benefits. Consuming low-calorie foods can offer several health benefits, contributing to overall well-being. Here are some of the advantages of incorporating low-calorie foods into your diet. One of the primary benefits of low-calorie foods is their role in weight management. Consuming fewer calories than your body expends can lead to weight loss or help maintain a healthy weight. Regularly incorporating low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods into your diet may reduce the risk of obesity. Obesity is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Many low-calorie foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are heart-healthy. They contain essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support cardiovascular health and may help lower the risk of heart disease. Choosing foods with a low-calorie density, particularly those rich in fiber, can contribute to better blood sugar control. This is important for individuals with diabetes or those looking to prevent insulin resistance. Low-calorie foods are often nutrient-dense, meaning they provide a high concentration of essential vitamins and minerals relative to their calorie content. This ensures that your body receives necessary nutrients for optimal functioning. A diet rich in low-calorie foods encourages the consumption of a variety of nutrients from different food groups. This diversity supports overall health and helps prevent nutrient deficiencies. Many low-calorie foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are excellent sources of dietary fiber. Fiber promotes digestive health by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Some low-calorie foods, like fruits and vegetables, have high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation and toxin elimination. Certain low-calorie foods, such as berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish, contain anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods may help mitigate this risk. Adopting a diet rich in low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods is associated with long-term health benefits, including a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative conditions. While low-calorie foods offer health benefits, a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients is crucial for overall health. If you're interested in some low-calorie recipes, check the description below. Thank you.